Do I need to stop thinking to practice mindfulness? That's the question I got today, and we're going to answer it right now. Hey, welcome to Hyper Academy. My name is Ryan Fields-Spack. Thanks for joining me today. Stopping thinking is something that can absolutely be something that one thinks about when you're talking about mindfulness, but it's absolutely not the case at all. Mindfulness is all about getting yourself and your mind and your focus on the present moment of what's happening to you today. So take any of the myriad of situations that you face going throughout the day. Your boss is calling you, your colleagues, social media, email, YouTube, Facebook, all of the things, your wife, your kids, that hammer on your psyche throughout the day, those can draw away your attention and your ability to focus on what's going on. So by practicing mindfulness, by bringing yourself into the present moment, you're not stopping thinking, you're focusing your mind on one thing rather than 30 things trying out at the same time. By being able to do that, your mind is laser focused and active and actionable on that one thing. Your wife comes in to talk to you. You're not thinking about what was just on YouTube that you're watching. You stop what you're doing. You focus on what your wife is saying, the action items she's telling you to take. You write those down, and then you can move on to the next thing. You are absolutely not stopping thinking by jumping into mindfulness. Make sense? What do you do to practice mindfulness? Do you try to improve upon your way to perform during anxiety-ridden situations? There's lots of different hacks and techniques out there. I've got one of them as well. It's listed in the link in the description below. You can improve upon your ability to perform with high anxiety situations by jumping into this free one-page guide. It takes 10 seconds once you do it, and you will be golden from here on out to put yourself in a mindful situation when you need it most. Thanks for joining me today. Talk to you soon. Thanks.